Oh, let me go on this side, because I ain't going to try to block the person's shot, man. Doing the work. Extra bread, man. Get out. Don't pay me no mind. Work here for this bitch. Don't pay me no mind. Y'all mother, y'all business, and y'all pay me no fucking mind. Maybe you'll have a good day if you don't pay me no mind. My crowd, oh fuck you, mother. Oh shit. Look at how much crowds in the 14th Street station, y'all. I think I have to stay in the front because I ain't fucking going all the way back there. Well, stay in the motherfucking front of the train, bro. Look at all this crowd. I'm waiting for a Q train. Ain't there some shit waiting for a Q train? Now these dogs right here, let me keep walking, bro. Now I'm gonna know, bro. Excuse me, my fault, thank you. Oh, that's what train is this one? Oh, that's the end. But where the queue at? The queue 11 minutes. I gotta take the end. Oh, 6 minutes. All right, take the end. Oh, 5 minutes. I'm gonna wait for the queue. Fuck that. And it's local. Shot, 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 shot. Bum, 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 bum. All this car waiting for the queue. They go in the city. All this car right here. All this car go in the city right here. Look at all that car. Not my fault. I ain't shooting them. I'm shooting my footage for YouTube. Look at all this crowd, bro. They go in the city right here, man. All that crowd. You see Brooklyn here? All this is in Brooklyn. This is where people going to Brooklyn. There's a mad crowd going to Brooklyn and Manhattan. Look at that shit right here. All my fans, all my 1,161 fans. Look at this shit. All this going to Manhattan right here. See how all these people go in the city. And look at a little bit of people going to Brooklyn. Making 2 minutes, okay. Making good views right here. 1,161 subscribers. Ain't this a bitch? Oh, well, love this man. Alright, I'm gonna wait for the food truck right here. Coming right now. See all that crowd right there piling up the train? They coming on. This is like the city right here. It's 14th Street. Hands right here, bro. What? I'm a slap, bro. Blocking it because I don't want people in my shot, so I'm blocking it right now. I'm trying to hold it. My fault. Watch out, people. Watch out, people. Excuse me. Oh, shit.